Well, we ended up getting out to a show last weekend. Took home biggest muscle. Tried to go for the exhaust comp, but lost by 2 decibels on it. And let's see. Last week, had the transmission out. Redid the input seal for the torque converter. Now that's not leaking. Only thing I got a little seepage in that little area. I think it's my low pressure sensor or the valley seal. Got a pinpoint, but I drove it the other day and was hearing some noise, and I was like, man, that really sounds like a knock. And I was thinking, well, maybe I got a rocker going out and or something, but I am missing both primary bolts for this guy. You see. So we're gonna work on getting that sealed up. You got these bad boys, these bad mamma jammas. Stage 8 locking header bolts with the tabs. We'll see how horrible this is to swap. Knee sticker. I want to do all of them, but I don't want to do all of them. I might just go and make sure all are torqued, swap those, and do it as an afterthought when they start falling out. Just keep swapping them out. Oh yeah, this will be fun. Well, I got the bolts in. They really weren't too bad. So, gasket should be alright. I still gotta go through and make all the others sure they're torqued and whatnot. So, let's see. I'm putting these lock pins. Lock tabs are. Man, my brain just ain't braining. I know. File down some sharp edges. Make it look somewhat not half-assed. Let's see if it'll fit, I guess. Ooh. They're getting it back now. Damn it. Not sure. I mean, it's, I keep dropping things everywhere. There we go. I'll drop those too. It's fitting. I don't know how. Yeah, that's. That'll probably be it. I don't know. I think that'll be it. Your gloves off. And I got that fiberglass out of the way. That sounds like someone got hurt. Where, oh where, and a pair of pliers. These little snap rings, I feel they're gonna be the freaking death of me on this thing. I bet I lose at least 5 of them on the first one. At least. One of these days would be a good time to organize, I guess. Maybe these will work. Let's see. I should turn my music off. I don't get all that copyright crap. Snap ring. Oh. Yep. Okay. On there. Home. Stay there. Day. You were just sitting there just fine. Alright. See if we can just see if we just finger it on there, I guess. Oh, those are stiff as fuck. I'm not even. The groove, anyway. Oh! There's one. Good thing I'm only doing 2 bolts. It gave me enough for, 16. So I'll probably have 3 left after this first one. Yeah, I'm past the damn groove. Come on. Yeah. Nope. Yeah, that hurts my fingers, man. Fingers aren't what they used to be. They're weak now. I need even. Close. I don't think so. Maybe that'll work. Is that gonna work? Let's make sure we don't use the right tool either. Can't use the back side of those. Done that a few times. Nope. God damn. What? How did I get the snap? How do you get a snap ring on the front and the back of the tab? I'm not. That's how fucking good I am, man. Oh, I see what my problem is. I'm fucking stupid. Okay, let's see. That wasn't it. I think that was my finger breaking. I'm not sure if that's it or not. Definitely not it. I'm gonna sweat my eye. Or I'm just crying. Oh shit. it? I want to say it was. But I also know that this car fucking hates me. I feel like that's it. Get the pain out of my eyes real quick. Okay. Where'd it go? Let's see. Stealing you. I'm on a trip. I can't see. That is definitely not straight. Alright. Well. Freely. Oh, that's just what that means. And I feel like if I run it like that too, which I'm like half certain it's in there, my luck is that's gonna back out, fall down here, go all the way back, and puncture a hole in my fucking tire. Because that's what would happen. Oh, this one's gonna be fun. At least I don't have to shave it down. Just have to, you know, struggle buzz here. Let's see. Well, one point, be real good at this shit. I don't need feeling in my fingers. Huh. Not quite. Oh. Oh! Yeah. Bitch. Alright, well, we got them down in there. They are in. They have a little play, or a little jingle jangly. Again, big ass hands, back and forth. That's just how they fit. So if they loosen up, tabs, head headers, they don't loosen all the way. Sweet. And I will not. Well, you know what? Here, let me check all the other bolts real fast. Let's see. Yep. All the other header bolts seem pretty tight. So we're good to go. Well, we got our power tubes back on. That way, you know, inside the cylinder. So, should we see if it'll fire up in the garage? I mean, I don't know what the problem with that would be. Move our exhaust away from our power jugs, power fuels. Yay. Build a race car. So every time we get into it, we forget that we have a goddamn switch on the back. That's what I do all the time. Alright. Get some power. Oh, that's everything. We don't need that. Some fuel real quick. Do a little single pumperooski. Back off for now. Got our power. Aces, EFI. Just ignition. I've been dealing with a voltage drop, so it may just die. Yep. How can I? So, where can I put this? Where you can't see anything. Oh, that's perfect. Alright. Well, I'm deaf as hell. Whew.